Namaste, this is Avinash. You might be wondering, what is artificial intelligence? What is the role of artificial intelligence people in the job market? Artificial intelligence have created a huge lot of jobs in the Western world. Whereas here, Silicon Valley requires artificial intelligence very badly. And if you have the perfect skill set of artificial intelligence, definitely it is very easy for you to bag the jobs in the job market. And especially every company is now looking for more creativity and more productivity. Artificial intelligence definitely will give this kind of creativity and productivity. So if you want to throw yourself with machine learning, especially in the production industry, definitely artificial intelligence, machine learning becomes exceptionally very essential for your career. So LetsPro is starting course in artificial intelligence and also machine learning, 3 months duration. You can equip yourself with lot of skills and you will get ready yourself for the job market. Thank you very much, and please register today.